What's good? Top of the top, man. We going on a bike ride today, me and my dad. Should be so fun for that. Yeah, I'm probably going like a 10-mile bike ride to see how we're feeling. But y'all, so I'm doing an announcement right now too, might as well. So this Sunday, June 27th, once again, our third cruise. I'm excited for that shit. Third cruise is on the way. We're gonna do this shit in the GMR area, like San Dimas and Sousa. So if like the other ones have been like for you and this was closer, pull up, man. We're gonna hit up a meet after to function. I don't know, I'm not sure if it's a Civic SI meet, I just know it's a meet. So if you have time and you want to attend the meet, it's around 3 p.m. Well, it starts. Tag along, you know, it's up to you if you can go. If not, just come to the cruise, man. Support the cruise, come and have fun. The roads are always amazing. You can never go wrong, in my opinion, you know? So I put the flyer up, save the date, save the time, and the roads, as you saw in the previous video, a little glimpse. The road, as long as it's not like overly like packed, the road is dope. I was supposed to fucking meet up with my dad, man. So yeah, come out this Sunday. Have fun. If you don't have an SI, it doesn't matter. If you have whatever car you have, just pull up, man. So we made it to the bike ride. Hell yeah. Turn on the tracker.
Yeah, I'm a boss spitter. I've been light skinned, but I'm still a dog nigga. I'm a hard spitter, black hole, I'm a star killer. I'm a buck.
You gotta spit something for us. Can you spit something for us?
I could feel it in my skin. I was bugging, nigga, more gelling, more yelling. He the best, nigga, face it. I could taste it in this matrix. I had meetings with the agents. I was hyper on the writer, nigga. You don't want no beef inside the cipher. Put it all at stake. Yo. Ain't no beat in this machine. They got bots, gang stalking. Ain't no talking to the ops. Niggas watch snowed. Binary, see the code. I'm the one you niggas old. I get 10 for a show. My attention never low. All that flow, I got you slow. Don't do alcohol, do alkaline mode. Give me more, I get low with my high vibe. Kundalini color, brother, tie-dye. They the wave, niggas stuck, played okay. They don't up elite, no. When you make it cross the wall, got your dome big. Your mind high on some grown shit. Mental free my people, fuck the Bible with a long dick. Price hopping, night popping, roll the dice hopping. Ain't no stopping, got the night popping, Christ conscious. Niggas cashing for respect, I go a cashing for the records. No regretting, lift the
for order?